Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Thursday afternoon, about 3:30. Looking at cloudy, cold conditions in North Scituate right now. It's basically dry, though. I'm noticing Doppler radar showing a couple of flurries here and there, but there's really no weather issues. As we take a look at our threat tracker, which for tonight and through Friday morning remains low. We'll bump it up to yellow on Friday afternoon and evening. Now, we should stress right off the bat that we do not have a major storm or major snowstorm on the way, but some light snow arriving during the afternoon and evening may make the commute a bit slippery. Right now, we're going with anywhere from a dusting to 2 inches, and right now leaning more towards a dusting to 1 inch, which obviously is not a lot of snow, but it is somewhat significant in the sense that it will stick immediately to untreated roads because the temperatures are so cold. So it really doesn't take much to make it a little slippery. So a bit of caution and some slower travel speeds towards the Friday evening commute, but by no means do we have any kind of a major snowstorm on the way. As we take a look at, the temperatures, of course, they've been colder than average, and that'll be the trend now through Sunday before you see a significant moderation in temperature next week. But boy, look at the temperature on Saturday, maybe one of the coldest days of the winter season. 22 with wind chills perhaps below zero. We're in the upper 20s to around 30 on Sunday. There's your light snow for tomorrow and temperatures in the upper 20s, and it will be snow. We're not dealing with any kind of like rain or sleet. Satellite photo shows clouds streaming in. You got a couple of these little blips of blue right in here. Try a couple of flurries trying to sneak in, but other than that, it's fairly quiet. And you can see the cold air locked in across the Northeast and the Great Lakes. So let's get in real hyper-local here and take you through the forecast next roughly 24 to 30 hours. This evening at 7 o'clock, just cloudy, cold, and dry. And jump ahead now to Friday morning, and the Friday morning looks dry, cloudy skies. But notice during the afternoon hours, we do bring in some light snow. Temperatures in the upper 20s, so this light blue is, in fact, snow. And this will continue into the early evening. This is 6 o'clock in the evening, temps in the 20s. And then by 10, 11 o'clock, everything is kind of pulling away. So as far as accumulations, very minor, but again, all of this will stick to untreated surfaces. It wouldn't take much to cause some slippery travel later Friday afternoon, Friday evening. So somewhere between a dusting to 2. So it can be as low as just a dusting to as high as 1 to 2. So minimal accumulations. A bit higher as you get out towards Plymouth County, Mass, and out towards the Cape. So minor accumulations, but again, it can still get slippery. This evening looks fine, other than a passing flurry, just kind of cold and dry. Friday morning looking okay. Clouds increasing, dry, cold. Could be a couple of flurries by late morning. And then we'll bring in some light snow by Friday afternoon and evening. Again, untreated surfaces will get slippery. Temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s. And again, the morning commute looks fine. The evening commute may get a little slippery. Then setting up for a very, very cold weekend, especially on Saturday.